Okay, we use many and much for questions or negative statements. And we use many with count nouns and much with non-count nouns. And we do not use many or much for affirmative statements. So I'll say, with non-count nouns, a question, did they spend much money? Or with a negative statement, she doesn't watch much TV. Count nouns, I use many for a question, how many classes are you taking this semester? Or for a negative statement, he doesn't have many friends. Okay, for affirmative statements, okay, we use a lot of or lots of. Okay, and we can use a lot of or lots of for both count and plural non-count nouns. Lots of is informal. Use it in conversation, but not in formal writing. So here we have some examples. With non-count nouns, a lot of or lots of. They spend a lot of money. She watches lots of TV. Okay, a lot of and lots of mean the same thing. This is a little bit more informal. Plural count nouns, same thing happens, a lot of or lots of. I'm taking a lot of units this semester. He has lots of friends. They mean the same thing. This is more informal. Okay, now when I ask a yes or no question, I can use a lot of or lots of or much if it's a non-count noun. Okay, I can use a lot of, a lots of, or many for plural count nouns. So here is a yes-no question, non-count noun. Did they spend a lot of money? Or I could also say, did they spend lots of money? Did they spend much money? All the same meaning. Here I have plural count nouns. I can use a lot of, lots of, or many to ask a question. Are you taking a lot of units this semester? Are you taking lots of units? Are you taking many units? All mean the same thing. Okay, same thing happens in negative statements. With non-count nouns, I can use a lot of, lots of, or much. So if I can say, I don't have a lot of money, I don't have lots of money, I don't have much money. All mean the same thing. With a plural count noun, I can use a lot of, or lots of, or many. I can say, he's not working a lot of hours this semester. He's not working lots of hours, or he's not working many hours. All those mean the same thing. Okay, but going back and looking at the affirmative statements, you can only use a lot of or lots of, not much or many. So here with the non-count nouns, I can say, they spent a lot of money. She watches lots of TV. Okay, a lot of or lots of with plural count nouns in an affirmative statement. I'm taking a lot of units this semester. He has lots of friends. In this kind of sentence, I usually don't use much, and in this kind of sentence, I don't use many. Use a number of with count nouns, an amount of with non-count nouns. So the number of students attending college has increased, or the amount of stress in people's lives seems to be increasing. And notice there's a singular noun with those expressions.